Warrior Plus affiliate marketing for beginners in 2025. So let's have a look. Let's see what Warrior Plus is all about and how you can use it for affiliate marketing. Also, we will see my TLC method of affiliate marketing, what it's all about and how to use this to get a bigger picture of affiliate marketing. The 20,000 foot view of affiliate marketing. So let's have a look. Let's continue. So if you do not have a Warrior Plus account, you can click on the link below. I'll leave a link to get a new account. So you can just click and you'd need to create your account. A username, you'd have to take one that has not yet been used by anyone else before, and set a password and the email address. Obviously say I'm not a robot and click create the account. Okay, so once that is done, you should get an email and you verify that and you should be good to go. So it's free to join up, so you can easily create an account. Okay, so once we are in, so this is one of my accounts. You can see I've already earned more than $3,000 on this one, and I have some pending money also there. So first thing, you'd want to go to affiliate and offers. So once you click on that, you should come to a page like this. So the various drop downs here, the marketplace, but I would prefer to go via affiliate. So if you're a vendor, if you're putting your own products up, you'd go to this vendor dashboard. That's where you're putting your own products up. I've had my own products up from here as well, but not on this account. So let's look at the affiliate part of it. You go to offers and you should come to a page like this. Now you can search by various things. You could search by the offer title if you know what you're looking for, the vendor's name if you know what you're looking for, or just something like the pulse score. Now what's this pulse score? So let's have a look. What is the pulse score? The pulse score is basically the indication of how good the product is, how well it is performing. So you can read this up. Warrior Plus offers the pulse score, which indicates the overall performance of each offer. It calculates over several months based on a number of pre-selected criteria. Warrior Plus introduced this method to help affiliates identify high-performing offers and quality products. The higher the pulse score, the better the offer. So basically, bottom line, the higher a figure on the pulse score, the better the offer is. So let's have a look and see. So this is sorted by pulse score. So you can see the high ones are 67.9. So where the heart is, that's the pulse score. So you could see by the last column out here. Now, say you want to promote one of the offers, you can just click on one of them and it'll take you to the page, the affiliate page. So once you're here, you could see various things. So you could request your approval here. So once you click this, you should get a box like this where you put in some notes. Now, I would suggest if you're a first-time affiliate or you have not promoted too many products on Warrior Plus, if you request for approval, you might not get approved. So for this, you'd want to do a background check of the product first. Tell the product creator why they should accept you as an affiliate. Find some reasons why, some compelling reasons why they should accept you as an affiliate. Obviously, things like how you're going to promote, what are you thinking, why this product is good for your audience, etc. That would help you get accepted into the affiliate system. So once that is there, that is to request the approval. Now you can see various things, the overview of the product, what the product is all about. Like this product is a software as a service, SaaS product. You can also see who's the vendor. You could click on this link here and see more details about what kind of products that person or that team has been offering, what kind of price ranges, what kind of commissions you could get. We'll have a look at more about that. You could see 1,000+ sales have been made for this offer. Most of these software offers go like hotcakes, so some good things to promote there. Now, conversion rate is about 14%. So every 100 people hitting the sales page, about 14 are buying this product. So in other words, that's a very good conversion rate. Now, the whole thing is why many of these product vendors do not accept you as an affiliate is because if you have bad traffic, this stats of theirs would come down. Basically, the conversion rate stats of theirs would come down. If you are sending a bad traffic to their landing page, which is not converting, who's not interested in their product, this rate would go down and their overall rating as a vendor would go down. So that's the reason they do not want affiliates who are going to send bad traffic to them. Okay. So next is visitor value. What's the visitor value? That means for every visitor coming in, averages out to about $3, which is very good. So if 100 visitors have come in, they would get about $300. And refund rate is just 4%, which is very good. And that's your pulse rate again. Okay, so you could see some more details about the offer if you click here. The funnel map is telling you what are the other products in this offer. A good thing would be if you see that if there are many back-end products. So it's not only the front end where you earn from, you'll earn from the back end as well. The products which are not directly on the front end. So now let's have a look what commissions you can get. If you click on the products part of it, you can see what is the price for each of them. The fee is the front end, and for this 14 you get 50% commissions, about $7. But can you see the rest? Really high price commissions you can get. So you can get almost $150 commissions on the back end, and even more. Clubbing all of this together, you could get really high commissions from this product. So if you go back to overview, this is what average you could get. So the commission rates up to $600. If people buy the back end also, you could get $660 with this product. Pretty high commissions out there. Now you can also visit the sales page here. You can see that. Also you'd have the JV page, that is joint venture page. You can see, check this out also. On this you get various details. So we can click it and see what's there. So on the JV page you get various things like email swipes, JV doc, giving you different things. When was it launched? So this was pretty recent, on 24th Jan, a little while back. Okay, where is it being promoted and how to get approved, various other things, what you'd want to tell your audiences about the sample videos that are there. So a lot of stuff which you can use to promote this product. Okay, that's how you'd go about checking if this product is good for you, is it good for you, the audience that you have, etc. Now moving on. So you can see some other products also. Now this is one of the other products. I am approved for this. When you're approved for it, when you can see this in green. So the one which I was not approved for, like this one, it's in bluish and I have to request for approval. Now the one which I'm already approved for, I can see a green and link settings, and you can see your affiliate link is out there. Yeah. So if you see, this has commission range is of almost $800. Okay. So 50% commissions out there. So something pretty cool. So you can get various different products from low ticket to really high ticket ones also on Warrior Plus. So the first thing is to check what kind of products are good for your audience, and obviously go ahead and have a look at that. Okay, so now I'll move on to this TLC ecosystem where this falls under. So let's have a look. So what is this TLC ecosystem? One is TLC is traffic, leads, and connect. So what does it mean? I've broken down the system into three parts. So affiliate marketing into three parts, where TLC, like your tender loving care, but this is your traffic, lead, and connect. So first, traffic. How do you get your traffic? You get most traffic comes from social media, either paid traffic or organic. So that's where you get most of your traffic from. Next is your lead. Now this traffic, why don't we send this traffic directly to the sales page? There are a few reasons for that. One is, if you send them directly to your sales page, you are not getting this connect part of it. You're not getting the lead and connect part of it. And that's where most of the sales happen. So when you send people directly to a sales page, very few will convert. In the stats are about 2% or so. So if you're sending 100 people to a sales page and that is quality traffic, about 2 people will convert from there. But if you've got bad traffic, the stats are even lower. So you could get 100 people you send, you almost would get 0. Okay. Next would be your lead part of it, where you're capturing your lead. You are getting them into your ecosystem, where earlier they were in the social media ecosystem. Now they're coming into your world. So you could be sending them to either things like a school group or a group of your own, or into your email list. Now the whole thing is, that's where you grab the lead part of it, and the connect part of it is where you build up a connection with them, a relationship with them, and that's where you send them repeated offers to repeated sales pages. And obviously you're not going to only send them offers, you're going to give them value as well. Okay, so once you're doing that and you're building up your connection and your relationship with them, that's where most of the sales happen. Okay, so 90% of sales happen at this connection part of it. So if you want to do well with affiliate marketing, you have to get this connect part right. Okay, so if you're not getting results with affiliate marketing, mostly because of this connect part not being accurate or not being done well. Okay, so once you're out here, you send them to the sales page, and once they buy, you get the commissions. So now when we are talking about the Warrior Plus system, we want to get Warrior Plus affiliate links and that's where we get them to our sales page via our affiliate link, and once they buy, you get commissions. So that's our ecosystem. Now, to make this work, this Warrior Plus thing work, obviously you need traffic. And if you're looking for traffic, I've got various other videos where you can use even faceless things like faceless reels to start your affiliate journey and to get traffic to your various leads. Also, I will be making various videos on landing pages, etc., how to put them up, what kind of landing pages are working well. So stay tuned for those as well, and I'll see you in the other videos. Take care.